Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to change your Facebook account password. Let's get started. At first, open the Facebook app on your device. Now click on three dot line. Now click on Settings. Now click on Password and Security. Again click on Password and Security. Now click on Change Password. Now select your profile. Enter your current password. Now create a new password. Retype new password. Now click on Change Password. By this process, you can easily change your Facebook password. Thank you.